Speaking of, this is Unolingo 2. Let me interrupt. You guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Enjoy the video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Watch me run from this bird. After my kidnapping and me walking up in this place, I explored its lair and was led to a new area. As I move forward, I can't help but wonder, is there actually a way out, or is it going to keep punishing me with its lessons until I die? I guess I'm about to find out. Fluent or flayed, your choice. No loitering.
Hi, I'm glad you made it here. Welcome to more language lessons. They call me the hall monitor around these parts. I better not catch you outside of class. Please choose a class in 10, 9, 8.
For this
7,
cycle, a few cells in
6,
the
5, 4, 3.
1591.
1.
Owl, dog, bird.
Okay. No way, yeah. It seems that way, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Missing a cog.
Deer,
I could help you escape. Oh, but let's be honest. You messed up the instructions.
Who are you talking to like that? I'm not messing those instructions up. Birds are harmless. We aren't. Science is not net. Is that a Glock? No, it's a. Is that a Magnum? Bro. Ooh. Ooh. Oh shit. What's in here?
Group B, Group A, Group A.
Okay. What is that? What are you? I don't like that. French exercise. Assign 3 animal friends to each group, A and B. What is your... Are you good? Okay. Oh, assign 3 animals to
I
each
catch you outside,
A and B.
I'm going to make you scream in Spanish.
What the fuck just...
What the fuck, man? They're just words. For crying out loud.
What did I do? We're in a jail cell now? I was just trying to learn French. What's in here? I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued.
Well, it's sad to have to see you go now.
Oh! Yo! What the fuck?
I guess we could say that you have no brains.
Duolingo Bird is a savage. She just... I don't know what to say. What the fuck?
It breaks my little heart to have to do this.
You're not gonna do it to
You
them too, are
look
you?
like a smartass.
There's no way.
Clearly not smart enough to know when to learn.
What the fuck? Tears coming out my eyes.
Candle.
Fail kaboom. Stand kaboom. Good luck.
Well, you see what happens to failures around here.
Ninja.
You're not gonna disappoint me too, are
Oops.
I actually can't believe you survived that.
Fuck.
Looks like you survived. What a cockroach.
Going back. Doing it again.
I keep forgetting how much of a pussy you are. No wonder you have 9 lives.
Oh, okay, 2. Oh, 3. Fuck.
I don't know whether I should be impressed with your survival or annoyed. Is your entire family like this too?
You're back. Nobody likes it.
木材
Especially around these parts.
植物
It was carrots. Oh, that was plants. I don't know. I don't even know what fucking language this is.
Wow, you don't look so good.
I don't need you to tell me shit about how I look, nigga. I'm coming behind you.
You're not in class. Oh, that's a mistake.
I'm in class. I'm in class. Oh. What the fuck is he doing? What is your problem? Close the door. I need to know. Stay over there. I don't know what your problem is, but hey, buddy, I didn't do nothing. 1591. 1591. All these Duolingo birds are crazy. Deadass. What's in here? Oh, we got the cog. What does it say? To whoever's still out there, I made it down here deeper. There are more of them here. more birds, more people, more lessons. They've moved me to a different block. I don't know why. I think it's because I won't follow their twisted rules. I'll try to escape again today. I have to. Last time I tried, I got caught because of some old lady at the exit trying to make a move like me. They caught both of us. Damn her. This time, I won't let it happen again. No mistakes. I'm taking a cog from one of the teaching machines. Without it, you can't teach the exit. I'll hide it here in the cell. Maybe that makes me selfish, maybe even cruel, but I don't care. I will get out. I won't let anyone else ruin it for me again. Jenny. Okay, Jenny. Oh, 1616587 and 5885. That's to cell 3.
When I catch you outside, I'm going to make you scream in Spanish.
No, you're not. Not catching me.
When I catch you outside, I'm going to make you scream in Spanish.
Fuck off.
Silent halls, just how I like them. Unlike your terrible pronunciation.
That's cell 1 and cell 6. That one's it was asking for cell 3.
Welcome to the next part of your lessons. If you do well in this test, you'll be fine. But if you don't, I guess you'll see what happens. So please do your best. Feel free to look around before taking a seat.
Okay. Yeah, the rose. Makes sense. Our ball?
Too slow.
Ouch! That shit
Yes, you
hurts.
could say I teach with a hands-on method.
Chill. Chill, it hurts, bro. Hey, bro.
Did I hurt you?
Fuck! Damn!
At this point, I'm going to erase your entire bloodline.
Bro, fuck the Glock. She just gave me straight hands. That shit hurt.
You can run, but you will conjugate.
I'm not conjugating shit.
To help you escape. Well, let's be honest.
Nuh-uh. I don't know what you're talking about. Not gonna lie, the stair was... it was, bro. I ain't gonna lie, shit was creepy as hell.
I said sit down!
Okay, I did. Okay.
Whoa, that one looked like it hurt.
Okay, we did that. We did. Chill.
Language skills are forever too slow.
I got it. We got it.
Congrats. Looks like you made it. I knew you
That
could
shit
do
hurt
it.
my head. We got one done. We did. It's not gonna let me pick no more. All right. We need to go this way. We need to get out. So maybe we need to go in here, I think. Redbird be stumping way too hard. Nah, for real. And then just breaking shit when they think I'm like out in the open.
Come closer!
Oh. Ain't this just something? As I got into my truck and was about to pull out of the driveway, I saw those big eyes in my back seat. It was the last thing I saw. Nevertheless, these damn birds better have taken good care of my truck. My baby didn't come cheap. Anyway, I think the red one's in charge. The green one's the one that got me. I think it does some of the teaching too. The blue one, well, honestly, don't know what the deal is. I felt that I don't know what the fuck going on with the blue one either. Oui. I think it's French. Zouzouzouy. So if I stood up, it's gonna kill me too.
Wow. You don't look so good.
This is some bullshit. That's It's Japanese. That's what this is. That means French fries. It's fucking Japanese, bro.
Congratulations. Maybe your family could be safe after all.
Better hurry. The bomb ain't waiting. It waited enough. I got this shit done. Oh, it was French and Japanese. It says deer. Okay, so dog, bird, and deer. Bottom. Ah, we're getting there. Oh my goodness. Assign 3 animals to each group, A and B.
Group B. Group B. Group B.
Oh shit.
Silent halls.
Group
Just
B.
how I like them. Unlike your terrible pronunciation.
Group A.
Okay, so
Group B.
Lappin. It's a rabbit. I get it now. I was so confused on what to do here. I need to find a rabbit. Motherfucker just keeps scooting across the ground. Shit's not gonna work. Bro. Over there, I found it. Got away from him to move, bro, because he's tweaking.
Group A. Group B.
Mancot. Penguin. Last one.
Group A. Group B.
Cheval. Horse.
When I catch you outside, I'm going to make you scream in Spanish.
Perfect. We did that one. All right. Cool. So,
Group A.
vache. Bache. Cow. Leave me alone, bro. Let me do my thing. And then
Group A.
Bear, bear, bear. And then
Group B. Group B. Group A.
cafard. Cockroach. We opened it. We opened it. We opened it. We opened it.
Let me tell you a French poem.
Whoa.
Silent halls.
Oh
Just
my
how I
God.
like them.
Oh my God.
Unlike your terrible
Go,
pronunciation.
go, 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 go. Let's leave. Let's leave. Let's leave. What we got? What's
My little cockroach.
Oh! He drop kicked us! Did he just call me a cockroach and kick me?
Believe it or not, I knew you had it in you.
Is that a big green one? My bad. So late though. Oh shit.